Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this emerald green glitter makeup look, so if you guys want to see how I achieve the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys like what you see, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you never ever miss a video. The palette that I went in with today is the Lyric Pressed Powder palette from ColourPop. And I have used this palette before and I really liked it. This is what it looks like on the inside. I like how simple it is and how small and compact it is. It's super easy to travel with. So the first shade that I went in with is this really light brown matte shade, and I just picked that up with a fluffy blending brush and I just put that shade in my crease, just going in back and forth motions just as my transition shade. Next, I went in to this deeper matte brown shade and I just picked it up with a defined angled brush. And you guys already know I like to wet my brush a little bit, and that's just because I get the amount of depth that I want right off the back. And it doesn't really matter how pigmented a shadow is. I usually go back in and add more depth, so this just kind of eliminates that step with having to go back and make it even darker, and it just gets the darkness that I want right off the bat, if that makes sense. And then I went into that transition shade with this really small tapered blending brush, and I just went in circular motions and back and forth motions directly over that line to get the blendedness that I desire. Next, I went back into that matte brown shade and I just picked it up with a flat shader brush this time, and I just started to pack that all over my outer lid area, fading it inwards. And when I have the most amount of product on my brush, I start in the very outermost corner, and then when I have barely any product left, I drag it inwards, and that's how you get that really gradient effect with minimal blending. And then I went in with the Club Nebula palette, and it's a collab with Angela, and I went in with the shade Astro, and I'll go ahead and link the palette down below, and I just packed that all over my lid. And then I decided to add some glitter, and I grabbed the Anastasia Beverly Hills Teal glitter and the NYX glitter primer. And the glitter, the name of the glitter is Mystic Teal from Anastasia. And as you guys know, with the NYX glitter glue, I apply that first and then I apply the glitter directly over top, and I hardly get any fallout when I use this technique. Obviously you don't want to have too much glitter on your brush at once, because then you'll get a lot of fallout, so just slowly build that glitter up. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I just grabbed that first transition shade once again and I started to apply that to the lower lashes, mainly focusing it on the outer corner. I did want to keep it light on the lower lash line. And the last thing that I did was I applied some mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
You're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the winter time. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't